Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix if you're experiencing the could not create account on your iPhone. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. The first fix that you can try to do here is to simply check the Apple system status. So the Apple server might go down that you cannot create an Apple ID at this time. So in order to exclude any possibility, it would be better to check the Apple system status. And on this page, you can view the real-time information about status of all Apple services. And if green dot is shown in front of the Apple ID, just like right here, um there is nothing wrong with the Apple server. And the next what you can do is to restart or force restart the iDevice. So restarting device has been widely mentioned when your mobile devices encounter various stocks issues or app crashing and other system problems. So as a matter of fact, it is definitely an effective or as effective as what we always hear about. So it not only helps clear RAM but also inspects minor system errors in the reboot process. So to do this, just simply call out the power off slider and then drag it to shut down and wait a while and reboot your devices. And further, you can force restart your device in case simply restarting doesn't work. So below right here, for your iPhone 8 and later or the iPad with Face ID, just swiftly press and release the volume up and do the same with the volume down. So just hold the side button and release it until the logo appears. And for this iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, just hold the volume down and the sleep or wake buttons and release them when you see the Apple logo on screen. And lastly, for iPhone 6 and earlier or iPad with home button, just hold the home button and the sleep wake button and undo them until the Apple logo shows up. And so that's it. That's how you can force restart your Apple devices. And then for the last part of this video, for the last fix, what you're going to do is to simply update the iOS version. So it proves helpful as well when you find the message your Apple ID could not be created pops up. So an outdated iOS operating system may lead to this problem as it may carry hidden bugs and crashes at times. So if you are not sure whether you have the newest iOS version, you can go to your settings and then head to the general screen and find a software update option. So you can tap it further, check if there's an available or is an update available. So if any, just tap download and install, and after the installation process is done, just try to add a new Apple ID once more. So that's it for this video. Those are some troubleshooting steps that you can do if you're having the problem. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.